Welcome in online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject. Chapter number 10, Hero Worship, on page number 32. First paragraph. We need heroes for inspiration. There are thousands of them around us who rarely inspire us with their selfless service and dedication. They may not have glamour, they may not be famous and rich, but they spend their lives for others and they are real heroes. We must accept and appreciate them. Gandhiji always took note of greatness in ordinary people. For him, the act was not important, but the attitude was. The selfless sacrifice of poor farmers and women inspired Gandhi. Once, he was on a tour to the villages of Orissa for collecting money for the Khadi Foundation. In one of the villages, he attended a large gathering. He spoke to them about the importance of Khadi and its use. He appealed to the people to contribute to the Khadi fund. When he finished his talk, an old lady stood up and made her way towards Gandhiji. She was stopped by volunteers, but she did not yet yield, and finally she reached near Gandhiji. I wanted to have your darshan, vision, she told Gandhiji and touched his feet. Then she took out a coin and offered it to him. Gandhiji took the coin and kept it with him. Usually, the money collected during the fund raising was kept by Jamnalal Bajaj. He was sitting near Gandhiji. He told Gandhi to hand over the coin to him to be credited. So, my dear students, here in this content, it is said many heroes are there. We are getting inspiration from them. But most probably, as it is said here, there are thousands of heroes around us who rarely inspire us with their selfless service and dedication. Sometimes they may not have glamour, they are not famous, rich, but in real sense they are real hero. We have to accept to them, we have to appreciate to them. Gandhiji always was observing not of greatness in ordinary people for poor people, because selfless sacrifice of poor farmers and women inspired Gandhi. Once in a while, Gandhiji was on a tour. Villages of Orissa, he was collecting money for Khadi Foundation, and crowd was there. Then he appealed towards that crowd to contribute to the Khadi fund. Then he gave one talk. Then one old lady stood up and he was coming to Gandhi, but volunteers stopped to her. Ultimately, she reached to Gandhi. She wanted to have a darshan, that means a vision, to touch to Gandhi's feet. Ultimately, she touched also and she gave a coin offered to Gandhiji. Gandhiji took that coin also and Gandhiji gave to Jamnalal Bajaj, and Gandhiji said, "You please credit this coin also as a donation." Now further you see, but Gandhiji did not give. "I keep thousands of rupees of a Gandhi Foundation with me. Don't you trust me regarding that single coin?" asked Jamnalal smilingly. "This coin is worth more than thousands of rupees. Rich people contributed thousands from their wealth amounting to lakhs of rupees, but this poor lady has contributed perhaps the only coin that was left with her. So it is much more than crores of rupees," said Gandhiji. Yet Gandhian understanding of greatness is different. He could not always appreciate what other people thought great and elegant. In this regard, his views about people and places were similar. When he visited Paris, the world famous Eiffel Tower could not rouse much curiosity in him. He did not know what purpose it served. He took it as a toy of an exhibition. We are attracted to toys as long as we are children. He was influenced by Tolstoy's opinion of Eiffel Tower that it was a monument of man's folly and not of his wisdom. Even in case of Taj Mahal, Gandhiji was more concerned about the poor laborers who had to work for its construction under difficult situations than the very glamour it. So, my dear students, here you see that lady gave one coin that Gandhiji kept with him only, did not give to Jamnalal. Then Jamnalal was, with a smile, he said, thousands of rupees he gave to, means Gandhiji gave to Jamnalal. Rich people contributed thousands from their wealth amounting to lakh of rupees, means many more money is there and we are giving in donation. That is a different thing. But that poor lady, whatever she was having, that she gave, nothing left with her. That is very important. In real sense, that is a donation. So, my dear students, in the last paragraph, as it is said, no, Gandhian understanding of greatness is a different, because Gandhiji always observing in a different way. When he visited Paris, the world famous Eiffel Tower could not rouse much curiosity for him. In this similar manner, because he was considering this Eiffel Tower as a toy, and we know very well, children are attracted for toys. But he was influenced by Tolstoy's opinion of Eiffel Tower, because it was a monument of man's folly, not of his wisdom. In the similar manner, when we are talking about the Taj Mahal, then Gandhiji was worrying about the poorer laborers. So, like that we can say, Gandhian understanding of greatness is different. So, my dear students, Here is the end of a chapter. Exercise you can write from the exercise PDF. So thank you very much.